Hi, I'm Mark. I have an oven in my car and little to no experience in baking. Join me as I bake in my car.
Welcome to another episode of Baked in My Car. Today we're on Gundungurra country at Urandery, and I'm going to show you a meal that didn't quite work out, and I think this may be why. After a humiliating defeat at Beer Pong and a particularly jolly afternoon, I attempted to make a peach pudding. I'm going to show you guys how to make it, and hopefully yours turns out a bit better. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. Here's a list you can screenshot for later. First thing you need to do is add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar into a bowl. Now we're going to cut a vanilla pod in half and scrape out the seeds. Now zest the lime into the bowl. Now drain the juice from a tin of peaches and whack them in as well. Add a splash of orange juice too. Now mix it all together with a spoon. Now pull a preheated oven tray out of the travel buddy.
And then
pour the mixture into the tray.
mix it.
Now bake it at full heat for 45 minutes. Now pour some pine nuts into a Ziploc bag. We're using about half a bag, or 45 grams. Now you want to take them over to a log and smash them with a hammer. They should look something like this when they're done. Now go back to the car and add the pine nuts to your bowl. Now add 1/3 cup of self-raising flour. And 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. Now you want to grate 125 grams of butter into a mixing bowl. Now it's time to make a prediction about how the meal will go.
This will either turn out awesome
Or not so good. We know how it went. Now's a good opportunity for your friend to make a completely unscripted cameo appearance.
Now add a pinch of salt. Wait, who's adding the salt? I know who it is. It's Dave from Dot 38.
If you're into camping, definitely go to Dave's Instagram and YouTube channel and check it out. Now it's time to mix everything together. Now add a little bit more flour and clump it all together. I shouldn't have to say this, but even when you're camping, make sure to wash your hands when you're cooking. Now take the peaches out of the oven and add them to the bowl. Now mix it all together. For a bit of extra flavour, add a splash of bourbon. Now whack it in the oven for about an hour. And here's the end result. It could have turned out more aesthetically pleasing and risen a little bit more, but it was still tasty with ice cream, and that's the most important thing. If yours turns out better, leave a comment below.
And there you have it. Peach pudding, all baked in your car. Thank you for watching Baked in My Car. Make sure to like and subscribe and to follow us on Instagram at Baked in My Car.